You should provide a total by customer, product, region, and time, so the year, quarter, and month. Your job is to take the 1 million record file, load it into your database of choice. Then next, break the table down into dimensions and fact tables. Finally, write optimized queries that will perform the aggregations across those dimensions clearly and efficiently. You will be evaluated on your efficient schema design, so your models, performance and scalability of your queries, and data accuracy. Bonus points if you also create a visualization in Power BI, Looker, or Tableau. Know how to get to the data? If you haven't done it yet, go out and join the Gambill DataSphere and download the file located in the October Code Challenge. You'll see the link in the description of the video. Be sure to use various methods that we have discussed in previous trainings, and if you need help, be sure you go back, check the videos, then make sure you've joined the Gambill DataSphere on Discord, and as a last resort, you can always reach out to me personally at my email found on the homepage of our YouTube channel. Remember, the challenge winner will have their solution in the spotlight during our code review at the beginning of November. Be sure to submit your challenge results to chris.gambill@gambelldataengineering.com. May the odds ever be in your favor. Finally, if you want to make sure that you are involved in future coding challenges as well as arrive for our 10 p.m. Friday night open office hours, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that you receive the alerts when we put out new content to help you on your data journey. I'm back. So I just wanted to point out that if you need help with SQL queries, be sure to check out this playlist here. It provides all the SQL tutorials that we've done so far. If you need help with some data engineering concepts, such as modeling techniques and brush up on what a star schema or a snowflake schema is, be sure to check out this playlist here.